We're here at the official DMandprints durability test located in Bozeman, Montana. What we'll be testing today, the durability of a shirt pressed at 280 degrees for 3 seconds. For the first test, we're gonna be using our super technical official test sled. Here's how we're gonna do it. This shirt is gonna be laying down just like this. We're gonna lay that on the grass just like that. We're gonna need our test subject. Please hop in the test sled. Ready? Bad decisions. Yeah!
No!
Right up my hand. Let's take a look. I don't think we've quite given this enough. I think it's now time to move this test to the sidewalk. But I think we have some more work to do. We're ready for sidewalk rash test number 3. Hop on.
3, 2, 1. The DTF actually held the shirt together.
This is the bear test. And start rubbing in 3, 2, 1, go. Get more pressure on that tree. Get a close-up of that right there where we really got that tree rub going. It's not peeling and coming off. That's a legit good rub. Thank you for the washing machine. I feel like that's a pretty darn good wash durability test. Yellowstone test is about ready to begin. Our water is boiling. We have our garment adjutant sheet into the boiling water. Garment into the boiling water. Our timer for 10 minutes, go. Rescue the shirt, fantastic. Dryer time, heavy duty, temperature max, let's go. The shirt has now been completely boiled with detergent and dried on hot with jeans. And that's where we had the big rip. This has been boiled, still attached. These sections here we rubbed off. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna take this and just stretch the heck out of it and test the elasticity. Still pulling back into shape after I stretch the heck out of it. Look at that E. I don't think I could be much happier with that test. I guess I would say, given our field test, given our lab test, after crashing this thing and running over it with bikes, dragging it across the pavement, power spraying it, boiling it in detergent water, drying it on super high heat for 35 to 40 minutes, I feel pretty confident in our 280 for 3 seconds. Pretty durable print. I wouldn't be afraid to give that to a customer and have them put it through their normal paces instead of our, Montana field test and our Montana lab test. Thanks, I hope that this was fun and useful. Like and subscribe and all that good stuff, and we'll see you in the next one.